Welcome to this guide on how to use coupons on Temu, a popular online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. Using coupons on Temu can help you save even more money on your purchases. And in this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to create an account on Temu if you haven't already. This will allow you to access the coupon section and apply coupons to your orders. To create an account, simply go to the Temu website, click on the Sign Up button, and follow the registration process. Once you have created your account, you can start browsing through the various products available on Temu. When you find a product you want to purchase, click on it to go to the product details page. On this page, you will see a section that says Apply Coupon. This is where you can enter your coupon code. To get a coupon code, you can check the Temu website for available coupons. Or you can sign up for the Temu newsletter to receive exclusive coupons and promotions. You can also follow Temu on social media to stay updated on the latest coupons and deals. When you have a coupon code, simply enter it in the Apply Coupon section and click on the Apply button. The discount will be automatically applied to your order, and you will see the new total amount. It's worth noting that some coupons may have certain restrictions or requirements, such as a minimum purchase amount or specific products that the coupon can be used on. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the coupon before using it. In addition to using coupons, Temu also offers other ways to save money, such as discounts, free shipping, and bundle deals. Be sure to check the Temu website regularly for these offers, and take advantage of them to maximize your savings. By following these steps and using coupons on Temu, you can enjoy significant discounts on your purchases and make the most of your online shopping experience. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the coupon, and to take advantage of other offers and discounts available on the Temu website.